There's a lot of, well, I saw a couple that was hating on the Pittsburgh tubeless tire repair kit. So this is what I used for my wife's car. Okay. And I used all the tools that's in there. So looks like I have more tools used, but really I just used the ones that came from the kit. That's all you need. And as long as you be careful winding it in when you're putting the rubber in, slow and easy, it won't break. Okay. And as long as you push it with constant pressure, then it won't break too. And then you just cut it off. Okay, so that's the Pittsburgh tubeless tire repair kit in Harbor Freight that I used.